Hello and welcome to a brief overview of the Money Ledger program for USA IFTA for up to 10 trucks. In this video you'll see how you can easily keep track and produce your own IFTA reporting for up to 10 different trucks with this ledger. Let's take a brief look at the program and make a few entries. The screen you're looking at now is the quarterly screen. At the top you can see it's first quarter, and at the bottom you can see there's one tab for every quarter. On the very left of the screen, you can put in all the different IFTA rates you have for each region. To get the IFTA rates, you just click on that handy link. It takes you to the rate page, and from here you can just make your entries. In the center part of the screen, you put in all your log of all your different truck trips. And to the right of the screen, there's a report that's automatically being populated, which allows you to make your own IFTA reports. You also have a setup screen. Put in the year that your year starts, put in the first month of your financial year, and put in all the different truck names or numbers. And finally, we have a year-to-date screen showing a combination of all the quarterly reports in one screen. Okay, let's make a few entries. Let's say 2nd of January, and here we can just choose our truck. Let's say it's truck 1. We're in Arizona. And going into Arizona, we have 5,000 miles, and exiting Arizona, it's 5,600, so it calculates our miles. If there's any non-taxable miles, you put them there. And let's say you purchased 80 gallons of fuel. That's it, you're done. 3rd of January, let's say we have truck 1, goes into California, and here you can put in our in odometer reading manually, or choose it. It grabs it for you automatically from the out on the other line. And then once we leave California, we're at 6,700 miles, and we purchased 230 gallons of fuel, and we're done. Okay, so let's say we're at 10th of January, and we're at truck number 2, and this truck is in Florida, and at Florida it's 23,400 on the odometer, and leaving Florida we're at 24,200, and we've purchased 80 gallons of fuel. Now you can do these in any order, so now we can go back to, let's say, truck number 1 again, or any truck for that matter. We just go 4th of January, it's back to truck 1. Truck 1's going back to Arizona, and we pick up the odometer from that last trip, and we're at 7,300, let's say, when we're leaving, and we bought some more fuel. And we just continue with our log in any order for any truck. So let's go back and do one more entry for truck 2. Truck 2, let's say it's heading towards Georgia, and we're at 24,200, and then we're at 24,900 when we're finished there, and we bought 60 gallons of fuel. Okay, so you get the idea. You just simply make your log entries just like that. And on the right, you can see it's producing this IFTA report based on our entries automatically. And you can choose all. We can just look at our truck 1 IFTA, so you can see it's Arizona and California, or truck 2, which is our Florida, Georgia run there, or you can choose all. When you scroll down, you can see in this case is a total refund, and our totals are at the bottom. And then we go to our year-to-date screen. You can see it's populating based on our quarterly totals that we're choosing. And if you want to use these handy filter buttons, you can choose which trucks or which truck you want to see on this log, and you just filter it out, and it's basically using the Excel feature to do that. And that's really all there's to it. I hope you found the video helpful, and thanks for tuning in.